Molecule from Miami, Florida.
Hi, my name is Kevin Slosser, also known as Professor K, and I lead Nutty Scientists of Southeast Michigan, USA.
Hi, my name is Andrea and I'm a Nutty Scientist from Fun Science, Romania.
Hi everyone, I'm Petra. Professor Bavinka from Verona, Italy.
Hi, this is Isra Noh from Nutty Scientist Egypt.
Hi guys, my name is Sue, aka Professor Awesome, and I'm from Nutty Scientist, South Africa.
Hello everyone, my name is Varun Wazir, also known as Professor Antina, and I represent Nutty Scientists Mumbai, India.
Hi everybody, I'm Nam Tri, known as Professor Dry Eyes. I'm from Nutty Scientist Cambodia.
I am Kevin from Nutty Scientist Thailand, Bangkok.
We are the Nutty Scientists UAE!
I'm very glad to see all of you there in Abu Dhabi Science Festival in 2019.
Excited about the opportunity of being part of the Abu Dhabi Science Fair.
I'm so excited about this Abu Dhabi Science Festival.
And I'm really excited to be a part of Abu Dhabi Science Festival 2019.
I'm excited and honored at the opportunity to bring some amazing nutty science to the Abu Dhabi Science Festival 2019.
Very happy to share this big adventure with you.
Really psyched about the Abu Dhabi Science Festival 2019.
I'll be in Abu Dhabi and I can't wait to see you guys.
See you there.
Can't wait to see you guys there.
I hope to see you there.
See you there. Go Science!